Today we started International Law, the Unit 3. Yesterday I have taught you state succession, definition, kinds of succession, and its consequences of state succession. Yesterday. Today I will start the deliberation on the topic of consequences of state succession. What is state succession? What are its consequences? How the state succession can be recollected by the state, or how can the state can be revamped by the recollection of state succession. State succession have been defined by different jurists in study classes. Different jurists are among them are Charles G. Fenwick, Oppenheim, Stark, Hall, and others, etc. But there are two types of definitions. Definitions have been defined by two, Charles G. Fenwick and Oppenheim, and kinds. There are two kinds: universal succession and partial succession. Universal succession is such a succession which is fully the state can be deliberated to become one state to cut up on another state. Partial succession, the part of the state which can be partially joined to another state with one area, or you can say the one part of land. Now we have to concentrate on your lecture on the topic of state succession and its consequences. The consequences are there are एक राज्य उत्तराधिकार का दूसरे राज्य या स्थान ग्रहण तब कर लेता है जब वह उस स्थान पर एक राज्य स्थापित हो जाता है। राजनयिक कर्तव्यों का अधिकार, देयर आर सम फीचर्स विच हैव बीन डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय आवर इंटरनेशनल जूरिस्ट्स एंड द फीचर्स आर स्टेट सक्सेशन आर नंबर 1, राजनयिक कर्तव्य तथा अधिकार. इट मीन्स पॉलिटिकल relation and its power. Political relation means the state which work within the jurisdiction, and within the jurisdiction its ownership and the behavior of the people, and how can be the state be a successful state. With the relations of negotiations, dialogue, mediation, consultation, and with treaty, all these things have been prevailed in the state, and the state have a power to reconcile with the other state, to talk and to negotiate with the states. Number 2, स्थानीय अधिकार तथा कर्तव्य. स्थानीय अधिकार तथा कर्तव्य का मतलब यह होता है कि स्थानीय अधिकार जो होता है वह स्थानीय लोगों पर लागू होता है तथा उनके द्वारा जो कर्तव्य निभाए जाते हैं वो राज्य द्वारा उनके ऊपर अधिरोपित किए जाते हैं. अधिरोपित किए जाने पर वह राज्य उनका पूर्ण रूप से राज्य के नागरिकों द्वारा पालन किया जाता है. राज्य का नागरिक 2 श्रेणियों में विभक्त किया जाता है. उन 2 श्रेणियों का विभक्त किया जाना, नंबर 1 श्रेणी है जैसे कि राज्य जो है किस सूची का राज्य है, जैसे कि एक विकसित राज्य, एक विकासशील राष्ट्र, एक शैशवावस्था का राज्य. 3 श्रेणी इसकी मानी गई है. वैसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विधि में राज्य की स्थितियां 2 हैं, विकासशील और विकसित राष्ट्र. विकासशील राष्ट्र वह राष्ट्र जो विकसित की तरफ बढ़ रहा है, और विकसित राष्ट्र वह जो अपने आप को विकसित कर चुका है, जो अब विकसित करने की स्थिति में नहीं है, जिसके पास सारे संसाधन, अन्य साधन प्रचुर मात्रा में उपलब्ध और सैन्य शक्तियाँ एटॉमिक एनर्जी से लैस है. अच्छा, स्थानीय अधिकार तथा कर्तव्य. कर्तव्य के रूप में ए पर्सन, और यू कैन से द सिटीजन हैव राइट to observe the law and to follow the law which have been enshrined in international jurisdiction and its arena, and the jurisdiction which have been followed by the international jurists have been written. No state can overrule the other state. The state is within the power and jurisdiction. The limits of its state is to be the state within the power and don't cope to other states. If a state can override, or you can say empowers to another state, or you can say to invade another state, that is the one kind of such a interruption, or you can say the उल्लंघन माना जाएगा कि राज्य दूसरे राज्यों के अंदर हस्तक्षेप नहीं करेगा। राज्य कभी भी हस्तक्षेप अगर करता है तो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय विधि का सीधा उल्लंघन माना जाएगा। राज्य संपत्ति तथा पूरा लेखाधिकार तथा ऋण। राज्य की संपत्ति, दी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ ए स्टेट which have been the most powerful and essential ingredients, and the lands, or you can say where the state is established, and the states which have been working on that land and have been established on that land, it's their power, and their powers have been certain, and or you can say the powers have been assigned to work within that state. अब ऋण की बात जहाँ तक आती है, आप अंतर्राष्ट्रीय स्तर पर ऋण किसी भी राज्य से ले सकते हैं। यह आपके ऊपर निर्भर करता है कि आप ऋण किसी राज्य से लेंगे, ऋण की प्रक्रिया क्या अपनाएंगे, ऋण की प्रक्रिया अपनाने में वह कौन सा आधार आप अपनाएंगे। इट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द स्टेट, वेदर द स्टेट इज, if as for example, if some state have a good relation with another state, then that state will give thousands of pounds and millions of pounds to that state. In between that relation, they will get what amount ratio, ऋण का क्या रेशियो लेगा, it depends upon that state. It is the internal matter, or you can say the personal matter of the state. We have to reconcile ourselves to integrate, or you can say no insurgency, or you can say no application of another state to insult the other sides. That is the important task, that one state is to be developed by their own such users and their state's economy, or you can say the state developers different kinds and different opinions. How the state can achieve, how can get the ऋण, or you can say how the state can get the money, it depends upon the state. The state is empowered to get the succession by through ऋण. It is matter of state. Next is contract relation. There is a contract relation between the state one or two or more states. The contract relation is a invalid relation, is valid relation. It depends upon the relations of, or you can say the contractual relation that can be defined by the state to another state, that both the states are arranging, or you can say the sit on table and decide the matter and reconcile the matter within the territory of jurisdiction, and on that contract, how the contract is prevailing, how the contract is working, how the contract is now moving, or you can say the contract is within the sphere that should be followed. सुविधा या युद्ध दूसरे संबंधी संधि. You know the state when we have to read, or you can say we have to write, or you can say we have to listen or observe the book of any writer. Treaty is the most important and essential part of a state. By the treaty, the state can supersede to another state. There are different types of dialogues and treaties. By the treaty, the state can be a successful state. Without treaty, a state cannot supersede, or you can say cannot be a successful state. There are two types of successful area where the treaty is very, very important. Within the arena, or you can say within the atmosphere, the treaty is an essential part of the state. With the treaty, the state can success day by day and make a good relations to another states by different resolutions and different dissolutions, and you can say that one state can help to another state, or you can say one party to another party sell different atomic energies and different defenses atomic powers. On that treaty, on that treaty, the defense has been applied, or you can say the armies and the troops can send their troops to another state to march, or you can say एक राज्य के दूसरे राज्य के जो युद्धपोत हैं और युद्धपोतों का प्रयोग भी एक राज्य दूसरा राज्य करता है ट्रीटी के माध्यम से। अभ्यास भी, युद्ध अभ्यास का भी प्रयोग एक राज्य दूसरे राज्य से करते हैं। एक राज्य का सैनिक दूसरे राज्य में जाकर युद्ध अभ्यास करते हैं। Damage, unliquidated damages. Where the state has suffering from unliquidated damage, that can be damages has been fulfilled by the taught, or you can say you have to listen, or you can teach by your teacher in taught. Unliquidated damage. There are two types of damages: damage and damages. Damage means क्षत और damages means क्षतिपूर्ति। जो भी क्षतिपूर्ति होती है उसकी भरपाई राज्य अपने ही नागरिकों के द्वारा अगर चाहे तो जिस स्थिति के द्वारा जिस स्थिति में वह है ऐसे स्थितियों में वह ले सकता है। अगर डैमेज सही रूप से किया गया है तो उसका अनलिमिटेड डैमेज राज्य अपने नागरिकों के द्वारा विभिन्न विधियों के नियमों के द्वारा प्राप्त करेगा। अब देखिए राष्ट्रीयता। नेशनलिटी इज द बेसिक norm and natural justice of a state or state succession. By that necessity, the state can work within the sphere, or you can say within the area. Nationality is a vital role of a state to work, where the state can smoothly working in a which work the state with special task and special mission. The state mission is to be a nationality. Nationality is an ingredient where the state starts its opening, and the nationality by nationality the state increasing day by day. The important and the most essential, or you can say the most essential ingredient by which the nationality the state can work state succession within the atmosphere, within the good atmosphere, or you can say within the good treaties, and the treaties which allowed by the state dialogue, negotiations and mediations. विदेश में निहित संपत्ति का अधिकार. There are two types of properties: the properties which within the state, or you can say without outside the state. Both the properties are to be the state property, and the state have a power to cover, you can say, to work on that property within the area and within the arena. The state have a resolution, and by which resolution that on the other state which the property is to be there on that area, the state can work freely, smoothly and needfully without any hesitation, whatever he or she likes. किसी क्षेत्र के दूसरे राज्य में विलयन के बाद पूर्व क्षेत्र के नागरिकों के अधिकार, just like a state succession, that what the state can, when such a one state can to be a reconcile, or you can say to join another state, the part of the partial state, then the partial state have a right to join that state within the fully satisfaction, and that full satisfaction that state can work within the area. They have a full right to enjoy the all instruments and all settlements. संधियों के संबंध में राज्य उत्तराधिकार. The treaties which are to be made by the state succession, that to be followed by both the states or more than both states. Both the states have followed the treaty. That treaty should be such a treaty which can be a long-term treaty. That long-term treaty must be recycle the state to become a super state, or you can say a constant state, or you can say good state, or you can say welfare state. A welfare state means a state which is fully well equipped and well furnished with the condition of highly not homogeneous and heterogeneous. Succession of international organization. There was one case. That case was status of South West Africa or national status of South Africa, Africa or Namibia. This was one of the most important case which have been determined, or you can say that which have been followed by the state succession, and the state succession will be fully replied, or you can say the applied here, and that state succession is to consider, or you can say reconsider, or you can say determine, or you can say the rehabilitation the situation of the state succession in the state, and in that state the state which to be a powerful state, and Namibia is a part of a state, and that Namibia has become the powerful state once upon a time. That second one important case I have discussed with you. That one second important case is Biren Singh Bram, उत्तर प्रदेश राज्य AIR 1952, सुप्रीम कोर्ट 417454। प्रस्तुत बाद में उच्चतम न्यायालय ने भी यह मत व्यक्त किया है कि उच्चतम न्यायालय ने अपने निर्णय में कहा है कि भारतीय गणतंत्र का रक्षण अधिनयन या अध्यर्पण के द्वारा परिणाम स्वरूप नहीं हुआ। The state cannot born, or you can say take the birth, not by adhinayan or adharpan, in which case Biren Singh Bram, Uttar Pradesh Raj, AIR 1954, Supreme Court 447454, and at last we can have to decide the legal consequences of state succession. The legal consequence of the state succession is to be a purview of the review total succession, and that succession is such a type which will be partial, or you can say the partial succession, or you can say the universal succession. And partial succession is the part and parcel, or you can say the one part of the state which can be joined to another state and then become the one part of the state. That is one example, that once upon a time when Pakistan is a state and Bangladesh is also with them, and Bangladesh is also the part of that state, and Bangladesh is not divided from Pakistan. In 1971, then the Bangladesh has to be made by one state and to born like one state in 1971, and then that Bangladesh to be the one important state and one nation, or you can say the one nation state, and that one nation state was to be divided by, or you can say the subtracts from Pakistan, and that Pakistan is to be the losses areas, or you can say decrease his power, or you can say decrease the area, and then Pakistan, Bangladesh's new state had been born 1971, and that Bangladesh is to be the one state in 1971. It is one good example, and today we have to discuss the legal consequence of succession. The legal consequence of succession is to be the succession is a part and parcel of a state by which a state cannot run without succession. A succession is a very vital and pivotal role of a state or state running to move to get a smooth healing, and or you can say the state to be fulfill the condition, or you can say the state when state get the full enjoying poverty less state, or you can say the state to be a good state, or you can say the decision making power state, or you can say the good economy, then state succession must be there. Without state succession, there cannot be a success. There cannot be a state born. The state, when born with this succession, then it should work as a parallel government, and the parallel government is to be modified government and with the constitution, and that constitution is work within the area and arena of the state, and that arena and the atmosphere which fulfill the all needs and conditions of the citizens of their states who are living there, and they satisfy the state citizens, they fulfill the all conditions and remunerations, or you can say the all conditions of ecosystems, or you can say the economy, or you can say the taxes system, or you can say the land system, or you can say the good relations with another states. These are the consequences of the state succession. Good relations with other states, more than states, and under Indian international or under international law, there should be a valid system of contract. That contract must be a partial or you can say a particular state between one state, and one state followed to another state, and they can be to be summarize the state in a good motto, in a good atmosphere, and that is the real consequence of the state. And today I have finished the state session. Goodbye, good luck, have a nice day, God bless you.